A deadly 10-state E. coli outbreak linked to McDonald's Quarter Pounder hamburgers. Our state leading the nation. More than half of those sick are right here in Colorado.
An older person on the western slope has died and at least 26 others in Colorado have gotten sick. While across the country, the CDC is reporting that 49 people are ill.
This outbreak is just the latest incident in a flurry of food contaminations. A frozen waffle recall just expanded to include some pancakes due to possible listeria. More than 12 million pounds of ready-to-eat meat and poultry from meat producer Bruce Pack has been recalled due to listeria, affecting more than 200 schools all along the East Coast.
And more wrongful death lawsuits were just filed against Boar's Head after a lunch meat listeria outbreak. 59 people to the hospital and left 10 dead. Your reporter Karen Morfitt joining us live tonight. And Karen, you spoke with Colorado health officials about this most recent outbreak involving McDonald's.
Yeah, and Michael, state health officials aren't releasing any specific details about the locations that those 26 people visited. However, as you mentioned, we do know now that the one death did occur on the western slope. Now, earlier today, CBS's Dr. John LaPook was told by the CDC that Colorado's first reported case was made on October 10th and that they alerted the CDC last week.
Colorado is at the center of what health officials say is a fast-moving E. coli outbreak linked to McDonald's Quarter Pounder hamburger.
It means that we're still trying to understand the scope and breadth of this particular outbreak.
Rachel Herlihy is the state epidemiologist at the Colorado Department of Public Health and Environment. She says the first case here in Colorado was reported early in October.
We've seen cases in the Front Range, we've seen cases in the mountains in the state, and we've also seen cases on the western slope. We've seen cases in teens to adults.
According to McDonald's, the source of the contamination could be slivered onions or quarter pounder beef patties. Both, they say, are specific to that one menu item.
It's important to note that the majority of states and the majority of menu items are not affected.
Herlihy says they are currently working with the CDC to determine which specific ingredient is making people sick and has already cost one man his life.
That's an active part of the investigation, is really trying to understand where the onions may have come from, and then also continuing to look at beef and where beef may have come from as well. So yeah, trying to clarify that, understand distribution, why certain states are affected. All of those are questions that we in CDC are continuing to ask.
Now, so what do you need to know? Health officials say if you ate a quarter pounder recently and have any symptoms like diarrhea, vomiting, severe dehydration, and a fever, that you should first contact your doctor, and then they will continue the investigation from there. We have additional information about E. coli specifically online at cbscolorado.com. For now, we're live in Denver. Karen Morfitt covering Colorado First.
An important warning for everyone, Karen. Thank you.
Yeah, visit our website, cbscolorado.com, to see a list of all of those recalls and the brands that are linked right now to listeria.